Hello to you. I do hope you're well. Welcome back to my Teaching Update channel. I'm Ben Wardle, and I cannot believe it is the first week of the summer term. It is Thursday, the 18th of April, 2024, as I sit down to film this video. And as I say, this week has been the first week of the summer term. And actually, it has been a really busy week. So I thought I would sit down and just tell you a few things that have been happening. So the week started obviously on Monday. We were back to school at 8:40 as always, and we had a Year 8 welcome back to school assembly. So what I did is I ordered, as you do, 1,000 postcards which say that greatness is a choice on the front with my GREAT acronym in yellow, just to make sure students can see it and they commit it to memory. And then on the back, it says choose greatness, and again, that greatness is a choice. So if you have been following my teaching updates here on the channel, you will know that my mantra is that greatness is a choice, and that all of my students know I want them to choose greatness in everything that they do so that they make the maximum progress possible, fulfill their full potential, and become the very best versions of themselves. I want them to achieve great things, not only in education, but also in life. And my big focus is on making this as explicit as possible. So it's not just about saying to students, I want you to be great, I want you to choose greatness, but it's also about then breaking down what the steps are to actually achieving that. So what is it you need to be doing on a daily basis in order to be great? And as I say, this is all about being as explicit as possible. My number one thing as a teacher is to always be explicit, always be really clear about exactly what it is you want students to be doing, and then always be really clear about the reasons why. So, and again, I've said this a few times here on the channel, my big focus is always reminding students that I have high expectations of you because I have high aspirations for you. So I wanted to give my students a quick reminder in the form of a postcard of the fact that greatness is a choice, and that I want them to choose greatness so that they can achieve great things, not only in school, but also in life. So I have my little GREAT acronym that I use. So as I say, I thought I would get that printed on a postcard and hand these out, first of all, to my 200 Year 8s in assembly. But then over the course of this week, I've been handing these out to my students in Year 9, Year 10, Year 11, 12, and 13 as well. Although, of course, I've only got a few weeks left with my brilliant Year 13s, which I really am very upset about. But I said to them, listen, take it away as a souvenir. You can keep this and, sell it on eBay in a few years. Also, I forgot to mention, we've got some business card versions as well. I really got quite carried away on the website when I was ordering these. So yes, we've not only got postcards, but we've got business cards as well. And they all say the same thing. They all say that greatness is a choice, and that to be great means G, give it 100%, R, respect everybody, E, engage positively, A, arrive on time, and T, take responsibility. And for me, that really is the main one, that students are taking responsibility for being their best. And it's all about that personal accountability and that sense of autonomy, that you are the master of your own destiny, that with hard work, with determination, and, with self-belief, you can achieve really great things. So as I say, these have been handed out. We do have quite a few left because, as I did mention, I ordered 1,000. I will tell you the reason for that. So we've got loads and loads of packs, basically. So I will be, giving these out for years to come. The reason for that is I originally ordered 500 of the postcards. And when I then clicked order, and it sent the confirmation through, it then said that they wouldn't be arriving until after we'd gone back to school. And I thought, well, I can't have that. I need to be able to give them out on the first day back. So I panicked and I went back on the website and I ordered some more with fast track delivery. So I spent a little bit more money to get them in production and then posted quicker. However, as always seems to be the case with these things, they then actually all arrive together really early anyway. But, it does mean I've now got 1,000 postcards and 500 business cards as well, with my mantra and my acronym on. But, I really passionately believe in having high standards and expectations for students so that they can achieve really highly, that they can achieve really great things. And as I say, it's not just about what they can achieve academically. Obviously, all I talk about with my year 11s is getting those grade 9s. And with my A-level students, it is all about going for the A star. That's what we're here to do. We're here to be the very best in the country and get the very best marks. And I am absolutely determined that they will achieve the top marks in the country. But it's not just about that academic progress. It's about the young people that they are becoming as well. For me, it is about their personal development, their character development, so that they can then go out into the world and make a really positive difference in society and live a really positive life for themselves as well. So that's why it's about instilling key ideas. We could call them virtues, I suppose, in each student. So, give it 100%. It's about that belief in the power of effort, that with hard work, you can achieve great things. Respect everybody, that, whoever it is that you meet, you are speaking politely, you are being considerate, and you are treating others as you would like to be treated. Obviously engage positively. So it's about having an optimistic outlook, having a growth mindset. It's about getting involved, making a positive contribution in the classroom and in the community, and then encouraging other people to do the same. It's about aspiring to inspire others. Arrive on time, of course, such an important life skill. I always say, if you get to that airport late, the plane is not going to wait for you. They're not going to turn the plane around. So let's get into that good habit of arriving on time and taking pride in our punctuality. And then T, as I say, the most important one for me is taking responsibility. Of course, we're sometimes going to make a mistake. What matters is that you're able to hold up your hands, apologise if necessary, and then learn forwards. What I meant to say is move forwards with a really positive lesson learned. You can tell I've been talking too much today, but they are the 5 standards, I think we will call them, for greatness. And for me, it's such a priority, and it is such a passion to be instilling them in my students. And I would say as well, it is a privilege. I really do see this role, being a head of year, but also a classroom teacher, as such a privilege in terms of the opportunity you have to make a positive difference. And so, yes, that has been my big news for this week, that my greatness postcards arrived and I've been handing them out. And obviously that has been part of a really important focus on reiterating those high expectations and, really championing and challenging my students to be the very best that they can be. I want them to be the best year group in the school. I want them to be the best cohort in the country. And I am determined that that will be the case, that they will achieve really great things. So other than my postcards, what else can I tell you? Well, I've been, as I say, quite busy doing some last minute exam preparation with my year 11s and my year 13s, who I'm really, really going to miss actually. And so I've made it my mission that in these last few weeks, I am going to myself give it 110% in terms of making sure that they know everything they need to know, that we've gone over everything, and that we're really confident when we walk into that exam room that we can get full marks. That's what I want them to be aiming for, to get 100% in those exams. So we're doing, exam walkthroughs, consolidation booklets. We're going over everything in terms of the content, and then of course the exam technique, so that by the exam, there is absolutely no gaps in their knowledge, and there is no doubts in their mind that whatever questions do come up, they can achieve the very top marks. But as I say, I really am going to miss my year 13s. They have been the best class I could possibly have asked for, and I don't know what I will do without them. They've been brilliant, and I'm really excited to see them doing really well in these exams, but then also in the future. I see so much potential in them, and as I say, it has been such a privilege to teach them. And so other than that, really, what can I tell you? Well, I'm excited for the summer. I don't know about you, but the fact that when you get home in the evenings, it's still quite light is a really positive thing, isn't it? So I'm really looking forward now to the summer. Hopefully we do get some sun and some heat, and it's not going to be raining, as I feel like it was last year. And I'm also quite excited for my year group to actually be year 9. I mean, I know it's still only April of this year, but I'm already thinking ahead to September and my students going into year 9. I think one of the best things about the role, which is just my dream job, is that I will be staying with my year group. So I'm really excited to see them going into year 9, and I think it really will be the making of them. They've already achieved so much. They're already such excellent, polite, hardworking, brilliant young people. But as I say, I think going into year 9 is going to be that next step towards them achieving even greater things and becoming role models for younger students. And then, of course, looking ahead to their future success at GCSE and beyond. So yes, it is an exciting time, and I'm very glad, as I say, that we've now got more time with sunlight. So yes, I hope you are well. I hope you've had a great start to the summer term if you are a teacher yourself, or if you are a student yourself. And if you are taking exams in the next few weeks and months, I want to wish you every success. Please believe in yourself, be kind to yourself. And as I say, you can achieve great things. With hard work and determination, you can achieve really great things. So keep working hard and keep believing in yourself. But thank you for joining me. I'm going to stop rambling on now and have a sip of water. And I will see you here on the channel again very soon. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day. Bye-bye.